There are many substitutes for lima beans. There are different legumes such as broad beans, soybeans or chickpeas with similar nutritional characteristics and similar flavor. Lima beans have a buttery taste and a smooth texture, so when substituting something for them you want to make sure you get a similar taste and texture. Red kidney beans are probably the best substitute even though they are a different color, the taste should be similar but not identical. You can also use white kidney beans, which won't alter the color as much. You can also use garbanzo beans, pinto beans, or even soybeans. This would all be up to your taste preference. Any bean should be a good substitute. Lima beans can be substituted with any bean of choice. This would ultimately depend on the recipe you are making and the taste you are after. Lima beans can also be substituted with chickpeas or lentils. Good substitutes for beans are lentils, peas and chickpeas. All are very nutritious and have great health benefits. Lentils are rich in soluble fiber, which helps cleanse the body and burn fat. The pea fights free radicals and has vitamins from the B complex, vitamins A and C. And the chickpeas have a low glycemic index and ideal for those looking for a healthy diet. Fava beans is one of the best beans to use to replace lima beans. Unlike other beans, the fava beans can be eaten raw without the peels. The fava beans also have the similar taste and texture of the lima beans. It is also rich in protein, fiber, folate, iron and magnesium.